Struggling to keep your life organized? Here are the top 4 best productivity apps that can completely change how you plan your day, boost focus, and help you get more done with less stress. At number 4, we have TickTick, and this might be the only productivity app you actually stick with. Over 10 million downloads, a 4.6 rating, and over 150k reviews. This app is already blowing up in the US. If your to-do list always ends up ignored or forgotten, yeah, this one's for you. TickTick is basically your all-in-one life organizer, tasks, calendar, reminders, everything in one clean space. But wait, there's more. Most people miss this part, the built-in Pomodoro focus timer with white noise. It literally helps you lock in and stop getting distracted. And this is where it gets crazy. You also get a habit tracker, smart voice-to-task creation, and even automatic scheduling that reads your input and sets deadlines for you. And this is where it gets crazy. Everything syncs across your phone, laptop, and watch instantly, so you're always updated. Plus, you can share lists and collaborate with others without messy group chats. The real reason people love it is how simple it feels, even with so many powerful features. Would you use this daily? Number 3, if you are constantly forgetting tasks, missing deadlines, or feeling like your day is just pure chaos, this is exactly the problem Todoist fixes. Instead of juggling sticky notes, random reminders, and 10 different apps, it puts everything into one clean system. Todoist is basically your second brain. You can just speak your tasks and it auto-organizes everything into projects with due dates. And this is where it gets crazy. It even builds your schedule instantly with simple commands like submit report every Friday at 4 p.m. But wait, there's more. Most people miss this part. It also works as a habit tracker, calendar, and even a team planner all in one. With a 4.6 rating, 10M plus installs, and trusted by millions worldwide, it's built for real daily productivity, not complexity. You can switch between list, board, or calendar view in one tap. Turn chaos into clarity every single day. The number 2. This app is blowing up in the US right now, and honestly, most people still don't realize what it can actually do. Imagine this. You open your phone to write one simple note, and 10 minutes later you're lost between tabs, apps, reminders, and random sticky notes you forgot about. That's the problem Notion is fixing. It's not just a notes app. It's your entire digital workspace in one place. You can plan your day, track your goals, manage school or work projects, and even build your own custom system that fits how you think. But wait, there's more. Notion AI can instantly turn messy ideas into clean notes, summaries, and even full project plans in seconds. And this is where it gets crazy. You can literally ask it questions about your own notes, and it pulls answers like a personal assistant that already knows your life. Most people miss this part. It also lets you build databases, trackers, and dashboards without any coding at all. The real reason people stick with it is simple. Everything finally feels organized in one place instead of scattered everywhere, and it syncs across your phone, laptop, and desktop instantly. Finally, we're talking about Google Calendar, one of the most powerful planning tools on your phone. Rated around 4.5 stars with over 5 billion installs worldwide. But this isn't just a basic calendar, it actually thinks ahead with you. Your emails, flights, hotel bookings, even dinner reservations, they can automatically pop into your schedule without you typing a thing. Need to juggle work, gym, and personal life? You can layer multiple calendars, color code everything, and instantly see your entire day in one clean view. And switching between month, week, and day views takes just a tap. Super smooth, no confusion. What really makes it stand out is how it connects people. You can share calendars with family or teammates, see their availability, and schedule meetings without the endless back and forth messages. Plus, you can add tasks right inside your schedule so nothing slips through the cracks again. And if you're on the go, it even works with Wear OS. So your day stays on your wrist. That's the top 4 productivity apps to level up your day. Which one are you trying first? Let me know below.